Another collaboration of Northwest Department of Health and the mining house in Rusternburg, Impala Platinum, saw the Minister of Mineral Resources and Energy, Mantashe, hand over a world-class clinic to the community of Freedom Park just outside Rusternburg. For a very long time, community of this area have been using an old facility mainly made out of park homes. Impala Platinum Mine completed 4 projects, including Freedom Park Clinic, for its second-generation social labor plan. CEO for Rusternburg Operations, Mark Monroe.
The completion of these 4 projects exemplifies our belief in collaboration, investment in our communities, and the pursuit of a brighter future for Rusternburg. These projects are not just symbols of progress, they are the embodiment of our unwavering commitment to the local mine communities and the betterment of the residents' lives. Today we celebrate the impact of these projects, which encompass youth development, community infrastructure, health and wellness.
Northwest Department of Health MEC Madoda Sambata received this facility with warm hands.
So with health, we are all on the same path. That's why it's so difficult for unions and minds to agree on a clinic, because all of them are going to be our patients. But this thing, Minister, because you are serving in that ministry of economic ministers, I think that there's something we must discuss. Let's just take here a budget of 14.7 million delivers a clinic of that quality.
Minister Mantashe, who once served as the Secretary General of the National Union of Mine Workers, is happy about the project that the mines are doing to the local communities, but worried that they are not publicized enough.
My complaint to the mining companies, Impala included, you are not telling well the good work you do. Well, class clinic, we're handing this over to you, but we take time to check if you have committed, you have also fulfilled those commitments. I'm a health worker by marriage. Now, when my wife passes big and passes ICU and all those things, all those qualifications are mine. Because we're married in committee of property.
Sydney Letsapa, Northwest Department of Health, Bujanala.